In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in Google Slides in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a school project, a business meeting, or just want to wow your audience with a creative slideshow, Google Slides is a fantastic free tool that's easy to use. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Slides. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to sign into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one. It's free and gets you access to a whole bunch of Google services, including Slides. After signing in, you'll be greeted by the Google Slides homepage. This page offers a variety of templates to choose from, but for now, let's focus on creating a blank presentation. Once you hit blank, you'll see a brand new Google Slides presentation. This is where the magic happens. At this point, you've got a blank canvas to work from. Start by clicking within the text box that automatically appears on your first slide. This is where you can add your title and subtitle. Keep in mind, a catchy title can really set the stage for your presentation. Now, let's add some content to your slides. You can insert text by clicking on Insert in the top menu, then Text box to add your desired text. Google Slides also makes it simple to add images and shapes. Just click Insert, and you'll see options for images and shapes as well. You can upload images from your computer or search the web directly from Slides. Updating your slides with images and shapes can make them more engaging and visually appealing. Let's not forget about design. A good design can make your presentation stand out. If you want to change the overall look and feel, click on the Themes panel on the right side of the screen. Google Slides offers a variety of ready-to-use themes that instantly change the color and style of your slides. Feel free to explore different themes and find one that matches the tone of your presentation. You can even customize individual elements within the theme to make it truly your own. As you work on your slides, remember that Google Slides automatically saves your progress, so you never have to worry about losing your work. You can also share your presentation with others through the Share button at the top, allowing for easy collaboration. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to create a presentation in Google Slides. Master these basics and you'll be well on your way to crafting impressive presentations that captivate and inform your audience. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.